This is a JobCost.com video tutorial on how to customize your default user settings. User settings allow you to customize what appears when you first log in to your JobCost.com accounting software and default email address. To access user settings, click on the button User Settings near the upper right-hand corner of the screen. A dialog box will appear with default fields. To customize these default fields, select the desired option from the drop-down menus for each field. Choose the default cabinet, select the default folder, along with the default view you wish to be the first thing that displays when you initially log in each time. Preferred date format can be changed based on preference, displaying an example below. Next, you can set up the default email settings for this user. This email address will be the user's default email address used when sending invoices, statements, direct deposits, etc. Enter the sender's email address, URL, port, and app password. Click Save once you have selected the desired user settings. If you entered email settings, then click Test Email. This will send a test email to the email address just entered to verify it works properly. Click Close if completely done entering or editing user settings information, and it will close the User Settings tab. Your user default settings will appear the next time you log into your JobCost.com accounting software.